Hello guys, welcome to Smart Learning. Today we are going to learn about direction of communication flow, chapter 3rd, computer science, class 12. Today topic is direction of communication flow. There is three types of communication flow. One is the simplex, second one is the half duplex mode, and the third one is full duplex mode. Now we first of all we have to understand direction of communication flow. It is said to be the data, it is the process of receiving the data or sending the data from one devices to another devices. That is how the data is traveled. It shows the direction of communication flow. How the data is transferred from one device to another device. Simplex. In a simplex mode, a simplex communication system can transmit the data in one direction. Only devices connected to such a circuit, whether send only or receive only. Example: radio, newspaper, printer, fax, letter, televisions. In the sense of that, we can say that in the simplex mode, or the direction of communication flow, that the data from one device to another device, either it will be sent or received from the communication. Just examples like radios, newspaper, printer, fax, letter, television. In the fax, we can send the fax to other fax machine, or we will receive the data on a fax machine. Here we can see that the sender sends the data to the receiver and or at a time, or the receiver sends the data to the sender at a time. Now let we talk about half duplex mode. In this mode of communications flow, a half duplex communication system can transmit data in a both direction. It transmits the data in a both direction, but only one direction at a time. Hence, it can alternately send and receive data. It requires two wires. It is most suitable for voice communication using telephone, in which open person can speak at a time. It's like example walkie-talkie. This is the example of half duplex mode. Half duplex mode, in this mode, the devices are connected to each other with the two wires. It can transmit the data, or either it can receive the data at a time, but it will happen at the same time. It will not interrupt the data. There is no collision of the data because it has the two wires. But in the simplex, when we try to send the data at the same time to the other devices, the collision of the data between that two devices is can be we can see that the data can losses But in the half duplex mode there is no such kind of problem because it has two wires. It can also and send receive the data. It requires two wires. As we can see the examples, telephones, it transmit the data also, and at the same time it receive the data also. But in the simplex there is no such kind of facility. When the full data is transmitted to the other device at a time, or full data received at a time, and communication disconnected after receiving the data. Full duplex mode. This mode requires 4 wires. As you can see, 4 wires is required to communicate, to establish a communication between devices that allows data flow to flow both directions simultaneously. As you can, modern computers and internet are most popular example of this mode. It improves efficiency because it eliminates the direction switching delay of a half duplex system. In the full duplex mode, the devices are receive the data or send the data at the same time. At the same time, they will receive the data also and they will send the data also. Because it consists 4 wires that allows the data to flow in a both direction simultaneously and smoothly. There is no data collision or any trouble that will happen while transmitting data to the other devices. They will receive the data very easily in the full duplex mode. They do not need any kind of wires or something. Single, it requires 4 wires to communicate each other in a full duplex mode. The data flow is very smooth. Simplex सिंप्लेक्स में क्या होता है कि हमारा जो डेटा रहता है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक तरफ ही फ्लो करता है, या तो वो एक बार में डेटा रिसीव कर सकता है या तो वो डेटा एक बार में भेज सकता है। अब बात ये है कि हाफ डुप्लेक्स में हम हमारा क्या होता है कि या तो वो डेटा को रिसीव कर ले या वो सेंड कर ले, लेकिन वो एक साथ भी हो सकता है, जैसे कि टेलीफोन, और वो दोनों डिवाइसेस कनेक्टेड होते हैं एक आपस में हमेशा। बट सिंप्लेक्स में ऐसा नहीं होता है, वो डेटा रिसीव करने के बाद वो डिवाइस डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है। और हाफ डुप्लेक्स में ये होता है कि डिवाइस कनेक्टेड रहता है, जस्ट लाइक वॉकी टॉकी। इफ वी अगर हम एक तरफ वॉकी टॉकी से दूसरे पर्सन्स को हम बोलते हैं तो वो वॉकी टॉकी हमेशा एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं, ना कि डेटा रिसीव करने के बाद वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं। हम इधर से वॉकी टॉकी में बोल भी सकते हैं, उधर से वो बोलेंगे वो हम सुन भी सकते हैं। और फुल डुप्लेक्स में क्या होता है कि हम एक ही साथ बोल भी सकते हैं और सुन भी सकते हैं। जैसे हम इंटरनेट मॉडर्न हो गया, हमारा मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर्स हो गए, इंटरनेट हो गया, ये सारे हमारे एग्जांपल्स हैं जो हाफ डुप्लेक्स को एलिमिनेट कर देते हैं, मतलब हटा के फुल डुप्लेक्स मोड में एज अ कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, जो डेटा को एक ही साथ रिसीव करने की शक्ति रहती है इनमें, They have the capacity to receive the data at a time and send the data at the same time simultaneously. So this is the direction of communication flow, means how the devices communicate each other or send the data to each other. It shows in three ways, three mode. It has three modes: one simplex, second half duplex mode, and the third one is full duplex mode. This is the these three all three modes which completely shows the how the data is transmitted through all devices, through wires. So this is much for today. As I hope you like these videos, please press the like button and subscribe to our channels. Thank you.